Okay, we need to mount a tire on this new rim. And as you can see, the face of this wheel, the finish is premium. We don't want to scratch this up. Now this is a reverse mount wheel, so it'll have to go on the tire changer face down. We don't want these shiny polished pieces to touch the tire changer. So we're going to use a universal flange, which will grab the wheel through the lug holes. Now this adjusts to match bolt holes. You can do 4, 5, 6, and 8 lug with this. We're going to use 3 of the posts to hit 6 on this particular wheel. And once we match that bolt pattern, we're just going to put these little thumb screws in place on the back side to hold it all together. Some reverse mount wheels will be beat up, they'll be used, they won't be in good shape. And we have a rubber pad protection to go on the center post. But since this one is brand new, what we really want is to keep the face of the wheel up off the tire changer. So now let's go ahead and put this on the machine. So we'll use our quick locking center shaft to secure the wheel. Tighten that down, and we're solid. All right. Then we'll lube our tire. This is an asymmetrical tire. There's an inside and an outside, so we'll pay attention to which side faces up, which side faces down. Inside. So I'll set the tire up on the wheel. That way I can move my mount demount tool into position. And we'll go ahead and make sure we're over the back, under the front. All right, now for our second bead, we're going to use the top bead roller as a bead pressing point to help keep the bead in the drop center. And then we'll also use our left hand assist arm to again help press that bead and for some traction. Then we'll slowly start to rotate this tire. And as the tension starts to build, we'll take some of that pressure off that bead. And now I'll demonstrate how to remove the tire from the rim. The first thing we're going to do is I'm going to move this bead roller down so I can set the distance correctly. These are synchronized, so as you move the top one, the bottom one will move as well. All right, now I'll move our top bead roller down into position to break the top bead. And I'll start to rotate this before I use the indent. We'll go ahead and lube our tire. Now I'll bring my bottom bead roller up. I'll start to rotate before I indent. And we'll go ahead and lube that bottom bead as well. All right, we'll drop this one out of the way. We'll move this one up so it doesn't interfere as we dismount this tire. Now I'll bring the mount demount tool down. And I'll find a part of the tire and wheel here where the bead's broken well. We've grabbed our bead. Now we have to stop rotating as we raise this up. And as you can see, the mount demount tool has a groove in it. It fits right on the lip of the wheel. Then we'll spin this to remove the tire. Now because of the stiffness and width of this tire, this bottom bead may seat back up. So I'm going to push up on this just a little bit with my lower bead roller just to get that loose. Now I'll use my mount demount tool to pull the tire up into position to take the bottom bead off. And I'm just going to look for a little daylight here. with my bottom bead roller. It's already in position because it matches the distance of the top one. And then we'll just rotate this off.